Okay, so we've got two nozzles set up on here now. We've got the 04 red XC nozzle and we've got an 04 flat fan, which is quite a traditional nozzle, quite old technology, but has been used quite in the industry for a number of years. The flat fan gives you great coverage, but it gives you really, really fine droplets. Now, a lot of those droplets can be lost in drift, whereas the XC, the amount of drifty droplets is significantly reduced. And we're going to have a little look at that now. So what we have here is water sensitive paper, and we've got a significant amount of drift on this one and very little drift on this one. Now that was only set up at 3.5 bar. If you start upping that up to 4 bar, you get an awful lot of drift with these and a lot of product lost compared to much better coverage and less drift with the XC nozzles.